Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is me, Abdurrahman, and you are watching YouTube channel Basic English Grammar with Abdurrahman. Dear viewers, the topic which is going to be discussed in today's video is all about correlative conjunctions. Before this, we have already talked about subordinating and coordinating conjunction, but in today's video, we just talk about correlative conjunction. What are correlative conjunctions? Let's begin this correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions are words which function in pairs in order to link two equal elements, words, phrases, or clauses, right? And simple words, correlative conjunctions, they must function in pairs or in couples, right? And its function is to join or to link two equal elements, words, phrases, or clauses, right? There are two important ideas about correlative conjunction. You need to keep them in your mind according to this definition, right? Number first idea, that the correlative conjunction function in pairs to connect two words, phrases, or clauses. Next idea, it adds two equal grammatical elements. Two equal grammatical elements mean that it adds noun with noun, pronoun with pronoun, adjective with adjective. Now, there are the most common correlative conjunction, right, which are used in daily life conversation. So this is the list of the most used common correlative conjunctions: either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. So these are what? These are most used common correlative conjunction, right? So let's begin with either or, right? Either or, it is correlative conjunction and it is used to join two words, two phrases, or clauses. It means one out of two choices. Out of two choices, right? So you should select one of the two choices, right? For example, she can buy either chocolate or pizza. So two options are given to her, right? She should select one of them, right? She should select chocolate or pizza. I would suggest her to select the pizza one in order to feed her, right? So either or, it is what? It is a correlative conjunction here. Next example, you either follow your passion or keep thinking about what others think about you. So two options are there for you. Number first, you should follow your passion. Number two, if you don't follow your passion, so then you have to listen to the others, right? What they think or say about you. So I'll tell you to follow your own passion, right? Don't listen to other, forget about the other people, right? Now let's come to neither nor. Neither nor, it means none of the two options, right? Neither nor means zero options, right? So for example, neither my teachers nor I believe in you, right? So neither nor, it is what? Correlative conjunction, right? So zero options are there, means none of the options, right? None of the two options. So neither my teachers nor I believe in you, it means my teachers don't believe in you and I also don't believe in you, right? So it is what? Neither nor, it is a correlative conjunction. The next example, you are neither a good student nor a good human being, right? Be a man, because you are neither a good student nor a good human being. At least you must be a good human being, right? So neither nor, it is what? It is a correlative conjunction, right? So neither, it is used and negative sense here, right? Now let's come towards not only but also. Not only but also is a correlative conjunction. It is used to put emphasis on the elements, right? It is used to emphasize on the elements. Let me tell you one more thing about this. Not only but also, it also gives surprising information, right? For example, he not only called me but also offered me with a good job, right? He not only called me means the person rarely calls me, right? The person, he rarely calls me, but this time, right, he not only called me but also offered me a good job, right? Offer me a good job. So it is what? It is a surprising information here too. So it is not only but also is what? It is a correlative conjunction here. Now let's move towards both and. Both and is used to add two elements, and both and refers to two things or people, and it is always considered plural in a sentence. Keep in your mind, right, this thing, that both and it is always considered plural in a sentence. For example, you can be both teacher and businessman, right? So two options are there. You can be a teacher and you can also be a businessman, right? So you can be both teacher and businessman, both, and it is what? A correlative conjunction. Next, last example, my students can both read and write. So my students can both read and write. So they have the ability to read plus write. So this is what? Both, and it is a correlative conjunction, right? Dear viewers, if still you have any question, any confusion in your mind, you can ask in the comment box that question and I'll answer you there. Thank you very much for watching this video.